How to join and engage in a subcommunity. Welcome to the tutorial on how to join and actively engage in a subcommunity. Subcommunities are the gateway to accessing content within the EBRAINS community space. They empower you with specialized knowledge, foster connections within your specific area of interest, and provide opportunities to actively participate in discussions, events, and collaborations that align directly with your professional or personal goals. Find a subcommunity that aligns with your interests. You can click on View More to read more about the subcommunity. Click on Join if the subcommunity matches your interest. Once you've joined a subcommunity, you're a member and you'll have access to everything happening within it. For example, you can go to the forum where members and managers share updates on new research, collaboration opportunities, provide user-to-user help, and have discussions within the subcommunity. You can also find a list of all subcommunity members. The group function allows members to have groups within the subcommunity. To actively engage in the subcommunity, use the like and comment functions on posts, and we encourage you to, for example, initiate discussions or share your research by creating your own posts. If you tag members in posts and comments, they'll receive a direct notification. If you wish to create and manage your own subcommunity, we welcome you to do that. Click Create Subcommunity for support. Remember, the community is member-driven and therefore thrives on member engagement and knowledge sharing. The more members engage and interact, the more vibrant and dynamic the community becomes. Thanks for watching.